Hey guys, it's Rin here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're gonna do a product spotlight, and this is for the Glossier Super Bounce, which I've enjoyed using. And before I give you any feedback on what I thought of it, I think I'm just going to give you a quick update on what this particular product does. Sorry about the light. Let me just get the light out of my face. Okay, so the light is no longer in my face, but we have a nice streak at the back over here, so I'll try not to move my face to the light. Okay, so let's talk about the packaging. First of all, the Glossier Super Bounce packaging is very, very cute. It comes in this kind of cloudy, lilac-y bottle with a pink cap, and this is attached to a pipette, so it's very, very easy to just get the product out. As you can see, I've used most of it already, so trying to get to the bottom of it is quite hard, but very, very easy to decant onto the skin. Sometimes I just do it directly on the cheeks, sometimes on my hands and then rub it onto the skin. It doesn't really matter, I don't think, but obviously if you want to pop it on the areas that you want to apply it to, then you just end up not wasting as many products. In general, I love the packaging. I think it's very cute, very girly and fun. Glossier is known to be a cruelty-free brand, but not all their products are vegan. I'm not sure if the Super Bounce is, but I'll let you know in the description box below if you're curious. So enough about the packaging and more about the formulation. So the formula contains 2% hyaluronic acid, and there's also provitamin B5. Now this is designed to help maintain hydration but also pull in more hydration deep into the skin. So it says that it's designed to instantly smooth the skin surface and create that healthy looking skin, which is what we all really need. And I wanted to try this because my skin is very dry, and it's just one of those things that if it works then great, if it doesn't then I'll just move on to the next product. So at the time I purchased this when I went to the Covent Garden pop-up store, which was fantastic. It was amazing. The girls were really lovely there. I did make a like a beauty haul unboxing kind of video because I bought like a skincare edit set, so do have a check in that video if you want to see the rest of the products that came as part of the kit. I believe this is a miniature size, so more travel friendly. I think you can get a bigger version of this in the actual format, so do keep an eye on the website if you are curious. The whole idea of this is to hydrate, soften the skin, it's soothing as well, and we know that it's cruelty free. Personally, I found that it did give me hydration on the skin, so I did wear it today as well, and I have been wearing it from time to time. I try to alternate the products I use, and I did find that when I was suffering from extremely kind of dry and sore skin, especially last summer when I was kind of putting out a lot of makeup tutorials and I was removing makeup and putting on makeup constantly day after day. Sometimes I'd record like 2 or 3 makeup tutorials in a day, so stripping back the makeup and reapplying really harmed my skin. So I use this a lot to ease the sensation of tightness, and it really worked. It was very soothing, just like it says on the label. It was hydrating. I would say that it probably doesn't do enough by itself. Obviously I have to layer it with a moisturizer. I have fairly sensitive skin and this worked for me. I'm very particular about what products I use on my face because of that sensitivity, and during that time when my skin was playing up and getting very kind of that feeling of tightness but also flakiness and soreness, this did alleviate it, so this is really good for that. Hydration wise, it does do a certain amount. It makes my skin feels quite comfortable, but I wouldn't say that I've tried enough products with hyaluronic acid to say that this is the best one out there in the market. But certainly if you're looking for something that's very affordable, it's cruelty free, and with cute packaging like this, then go for it. But I would personally say that if you are a specialist in skincare or somebody who is looking for something a little bit more potent, then maybe look further into the beauty stores, other brands, to see if there's something else that can be compared with this. I have ordered the ordinary hyaluronic acid, so I'll give that a go and see what the difference is in terms of how it affects my skin, and then I'll give you a full updated review at some point. One last thing about this is also I do enjoy it being non-fragranced because it feels very clean, and it's not like I've got too many products on. I certainly don't feel like I'm wearing a product when I wear this, and you really shouldn't when it comes to wearing serums and skincare products, or maybe unless it's like a rich moisturizer, for instance. I do find that it's very comfortable to wear, definitely suitable for dry and sensitive skin like myself, and I would give this a thumbs up if you want to give this a go. But that's it for today's product spotlight. I will give you some more kind of in-depth reviews about other products as well that I'd recommend or do not recommend, so you get a full idea of the type of products that possibly work for you as well in the future. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a lovely day. If you did enjoy it, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned for more of these style of videos. Alternatively, do give me a comment below if you have any suggestions on products you'd like me to test out and give you a review or feedback about, because I'm definitely out there searching for more brands to try. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day, and I'll see you very, very soon. So take care, guys. Bye.